This is the presentation of my deep learning of model first year 4th 2026 to 2027. Here is the 5 step. First, understanding the concept. Second, solving numerical exercises of that concept. Third, practical application as per the book. Fourth, practical application in my own surrounding. Fifth, how will I utilize this concept in my own life, that it will impact me and my own community directly, or how can I leverage the concept to provide a better service. So in math, I learned of class 8 NCERT book and R.S. Agrawal. So in NCERT book I completed factorization chapter and introduction to graph, and R.S. Agrawal book I did rational number. But these all are I already give the presentation of this. Means I already solve questions and all the thing. Same chapter I am revising again. And here is about science. So in science, in class 6th I completed chapter 11 and chapter 12. There is total in class 6th there is total 11 chapters. So I completed 12 chapters. So I completed chapter 11 and 12 in this model. So chapter 11, chapter name is Nature's Treasure. So here I will talk about Here I will talk about air, fossil fuels, coal, petroleum, water, sun, forest, natural resource, human-made resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, and non-renewable resources and rain harvesting. So air. So everybody need air for take breathe and proper. So for this there is breathing exercise also, which is in yoga. Breathing exercise. I don't remember the name of. I think Alom Vilom something. This is also one breathing exercise. Air is important for take breathe, and fossil fuel. So fossil fuel is type of fuel. First I will talk about coal, petroleum, and yes, first coal and petroleum. So coal is made from, like you can say, from many years ago, from billion years, if a tree, dead tree, if fall down and it grows, it went under the ground, and it becomes, and from inside the ground heat comes out, and I can explain in Hindi. जब उसके ऊपर से मिट्टी होती है, and in the from the ground heat comes out, and उसकी वजह से जो पेड़ होता है वो धीरे धीरे जलता, मतलब बिकॉज ऑफ, और ऊपर से भी हीट, और मीन्स जब उसे एयर प्रोवाइड नहीं होता है तो वो कोल में, मीन्स दे बिकम कन्वर्ट इनटू कोल. अब यू कैन सी, जब उसको हीट प्रोवाइड जब होती है नीचे से, जब प्लांट्स डेड हो जाते हैं और जब वो गिर जाते हैं तो वो धीरे धीरे जब वो अंडरग्राउंड में जब जाते हैं तो नीचे से जब उन्हें हीट प्रोवाइड होता है, और ऊपर से मीन्स देयर इज़ नो ऑक्सीजन, नो एयर, सो दे बिकम in coal, and you can see people use for coal for electricity also, and for आग जलाने के लिए. And petroleum, so petroleum made from sea animal, which is live in sea, and when they dead, they fall down on the ground in the sea, and then they go down under the ground, and on top of them there will be sand, soil, and in the bottom in the under of them there heat provided from the ground, and there is no oxygen, there is no air, so it become so after millions of years they become in uh, petroleum. And now I will talk about fossil fuel. So here I will talk about fossil fuel. So fossil fuel came from the remain of plants and animals that died millions of years ago. Petroleum, petroleum along with natural gas and coal are commonly called fossil fuel. This is the definition of fossil fuel. And about water, so water also we need water for being alive, because if there is no water, so we cannot we cannot survive without water. So water need for make food, water need for take bath, wash clothes, for drinking, most important for drinking, making food. So water is also important for our survive life. And sun is a source of energy. Sun give us energy. Sun with the help of sun we take sun give us energy to human also, and to sun with the help of sun plants make their food. And about forest, so forest is you can say forest is there we can where so many tree. If there is some area, if there and there is so many trees, so many plants, so there is in forest many animals, many things live in the forest. But the forest is it is non-renewable resource. Means if we will cut the tree, it will take more time to it will take more time to grow up again, and it will take more time to make again forest. So it is non-renewable resource. And natural resource, so natural resource like which natural resource is which nature give us, like sun, water, air. These are all our natural resource. And human made resource, that resource which human made, like computer, mobile, and electricity, and means wire, which human made, that is human made resource. And now renewable resource and non renewable resource. So renewable resource which like जो कम समय में दोबारा जो कम समय में फिर से वो I can explain like example of sun come in the morning, and then it went in evening time, but it will come again in the morning. So means if there is sun give us energy one day, and then he went into night, and then he went into night back, then he will come again in the next morning. So it is renewable resource कि ये ख़त्म नहीं होगा, कुछ टाइम के लिए ख़त्म होगा तो फिर वो दोबारा आ जाएगा. एंड नॉन रेन्यूएबल रिसोर्स जो दोबारा like I give example of forest. If you will cut forest one time, it will not grow it will not grow fast. It will take time to grow. Plant trees will take time to grow. So it is नॉन renewable रिसोर्स जो टाइम लेता है, जो एक टाइम काफ़ी टाइम लेता है वापस होने में. And rain harvesting. So here now people are saving water. Rain harvesting is you can say somewhere if rain happen, so people make underground tanks. They are storing water. And now here is chapter 12, Beyond Earth. Stars. Here I will talk about stars and constellation, comets, revolution, and the satellites. Solar system, sun, planet, moon. So star, we can say star is a, you can see star in the sky in the night. Stars available in the morning also, in the daytime also, and in the night also. But because of the sunlight, we cannot see the stars in the daytime. But we can see stars in the night time because there is no sun, there is no sunlight. And constellation is, you can say, before constellation, sky divided into regions, means sky divided into regions, many regions, that is called constellation. And comet, people say
what is the difference between asteroid and comet?
अब उस पे आने दीजिए. Comets is people कहते हैं कि तारा टूट रहा है. That is people say like तारा टूट रहा है, but it is not that. It is
asteroid break apart.
the comet एक होता है, एक we can say
It is a broken piece of asteroid.
it is not broken piece of an asteroid. I forgot it. I have to say. Moving away from the sun, then it is not. Sometimes we are visited. No, it is visitor from outer region of the solar system. जो कभी कभी visit, they are visiting our earth. This is it is a visitor. And now
if it hit to the earth,
why it will hit? Means they made from means I think they made from I forgot. Yes, they made from dust, gases, rocks, and ice. So you know when they will come nearby sun, so you will read about water vapor. Then you will take. You can say like if you are taking water, and if you are putting on the gas, and if you are boiling the water, water means भाप निकलता है उसमें से. So it is also made from water, ice. So when it come nearby the sun, so because of the heat, when sunlight जब उस पे पड़ती है, तो because of that उसके heat की वजह से वो water एक vapor में convert हो जाता है. So that is comet. And revolution is if earth is how can I explain, if you can say example, like earth is moving around the sun. So when it complete one round of sun, it will call one revolution. And the satellite, no, not satellite, solar system, sun, planet, moon. First I will talk about sun. Sun I already talked in the previous chapter, that is same. And planet, there is total 8 planet. There is total 8 planet.
Earth, Venus, Mars, Moon, Neptune, Jupiter,
Your-
Saturn,
Yes.
Saturn.
Yes. But it is not line wise. It is not line wise. So there is total 8 planet, and moon is a natural satellite of our earth. It is, yes, I only know about it. Moon is a natural satellite of our earth. So this of class 6 of classic science is finished. Now I will talk about of class 7. So the chapter first, the ever evolving world of science. So here only they will talk about they talk about what is science, where is science, means about curiosity, like अगर कोई अगर पता if leaves is green, so why it is green, why it is not blue, means they are talking about curiosity, they are talking about only questions. And here in chapter 2, exploring substance, acidic, basic and neutral substance. So in science here is some topics: exploring substance, acidic, basic and neutral. I paused the video because I went to attend my speaking class. So here is I think I was on chapter 2, acidic, basic and neutral substance. So here these are the points. So in exploring substance, acidic and basic and neutral, basic and neutral. So acid is sour in taste, and it is acid is sour in taste, and basic is bitter in taste, and neutral substance, it is not sour and it is not bitter. I will explain this later. Acidic, basic and neutral I will explain. And pH, it is what is the formula of pH? I have to see, I write it in my notebook but I forgot. This pH. pH I think is potential of hydrogen. It is not given here. I think it is potential of hydrogen, or means I don't remember the formula of pH. And measure and taste. So pH is used for measure the soil, and pH is used for measure the soil. And taste, which I have already told, acidic taste is sour in taste, basic bitter in taste. And indicator, litmus, lichen and color. So indicator is which is used for checking which is acidic in nature, and which is basic in nature, and which is neutral in nature, which is acidic substance, basic substance and neutral substance. And litmus, lichen made from litmus, it is an indicator, and with the help of lichen, we can taste, we can check which is acidic and basic substance. So red rose is also, lichen is an indicator. So in lichen, when it is a type of this type of solution, so when we are red, sorry, not like from with the help of lichen make litmus. I said opposite, with the help of lichen. Lichen is from, it is grows on a rock, on the rocks and on the tree, and it is where it grow on that place where so much rain happen, and where so much rain happen, and there is air is fresh, where lichen grow, and with the lichen litmus indicator made